Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how to convert a text into a table. Suppose you have a list of items like the one highlighted here. The separator here is a comma, but it can also be another character like a tab or a dash. To change this plain list into a stylish table, select all the lines you want to include. In the toolbar, click on Table and then Convert and Text to Table. A dialog opens. Specify the separator, in our case the comma. Set the options for the table. We want a heading, so check it off. And for a stylish table, click on Auto Format. Choose your favorite style and click OK, then OK again. Now we have a nice table which looks great and is easy to read. This concludes our video about converting text to table. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for improvement, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to answer any comment. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.